Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk to you about this product called Stiffy. This is a fabric stiffener. It is extremely easy to use. You basically go ahead and pour it in a container, brush it on whatever item you're trying to stiffen, and then you let it dry. Super easy. This is a water-based formula, so if you get it anywhere on your countertops or anything like that, you can easily go ahead and wash it off. What I like to use this for are bows, okay? So when you are trying to create like a beautiful wreath and you have a bow that does not have any wire in it, but you're wanting it to be nice and crisp and stiff, this is exactly what you're going to want to use that for. It is kind of like a Mod Podge type of product, but it is specifically for fabric. It works really, really well on any type of fabric whatsoever. And it's just super easy to use, very quick to go ahead and open the spout and pour it into a container, use a paintbrush or a sponge of some sort in order to go ahead and do that. The other thing that it's really good for are doilies if you're wanting to stiffen them. And so let me go ahead and show you one that you could potentially go ahead and do. So this doily here, as you can see, it has kind of all these ruffles, which what happens when you wash your doily, it kind of looks, you know, kind of flattened and that sort of thing. This has had some sort of stiffener already added to it, but it wasn't added, like a whole bunch wasn't added. It was very minimal, so this one actually needs to be redone. And then you can see this doily here, how there's nothing on it whatsoever, but you can see how this edge is very floppy. It almost looks like it's got an excess of material. And the reason being is because this actually should be used with Stiffy and then go ahead and actually shape these for them to actually have this type of fluff all the way around it. So just wanted to show that to you because this is perfect for those types of things. Any kind of lace, ribbon, doilies, anything like that, you can go ahead and use that to mold those particular fabrics.